welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. I'm Deidra. If you're returning, it is great to see you. I'm gonna make 2 eggs and some sourdough toast, and I think a banana or something for breakfast this morning, or something different. I'm using up my eggs that I got, and I just noticed how vibrant the yolks are on these as opposed to like just the regular eggs. So we're gonna have some of this. Like I said, we're gonna make some sourdough toast. I'm collecting some like fruit and veggie scraps for my neighbor's chickens to take to them to distract them so that I can get their water container out and give them some water. This morning they wouldn't move, so I just had to like spray water in there so they would have water. But I'm gonna have to go back with reinforcements and get ahead of their water situation. Please, I feel so bad. So I didn't film a whole lot yesterday. Actually, I think I only filmed some unboxing and that's it. So I gotta figure out if I even have enough for a vlog to post today. So yeah, I gotta do that and see what I've got. Yeah, so we got that going on. I gotta get some packages shipped out from my giveaway winners. I announced them last night. I only had 2, so I still have 1 giveaway left, so I'll probably just roll that into the next round. Since I only had 2 winners this go round out of the 3, so that's fine. Just want to make sure I get those out. And I'm gonna go for a cheesy egg this morning because if I'm gonna eat eggs, I might as well put a sprinkle of cheese in it.
Why are you talking to
My camera, because I'm filming a vlog.
What is a vlog?
A vlog is a video diary of your day that you share with YouTube, people on YouTube. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you having fun watching Blaze?
Yeah. Mom, is this duct tape?
That is clear duct tape. It's not like duct tape. It's called duct tape, but it's packing tape. I could see the confusion though with the duck on it. So yeah, I've got a meet and greet tonight after 6. I gotta work today.
Where's Anna poop?
Winter. And I need to shower, get laundry done. We got the Christmas tree last night. I'll show you that right now.
Where's Anna poop?
Is it just a boy thing that they're obsessed with, like poop and pee? So that's the Christmas tree. It smells amazing. I love it. So, yeah, that's what we got going on today. We got to decorate that. We have to decorate the house, so I got to work on that too. Okay, then throw it away if you don't want it. Or we can save it for Daddy. You want to save it for Daddy?
I already put 1 bite.
Daddy would still eat it even if you took 1 bite.
I want to throw it away.
You just didn't want Daddy to have the cookie, huh?
Why?
I don't know. Did you not want Daddy to have the cookie?
No. I said, I don't know.
Are you going to turn on Blaze?
No, I'm going to show you what I want to get.
ladies. Well, we'll have to move on and get this in there. I know, you ladies are thirsty. I got your water filled up. Let me get you some food to try and bribe you out of the way. Get here, man. All right, ladies. Ideally, I'd like you to come to this side so I can put your water back in there. Okay? Can we do that? Can we do that? Can we put your water back in there? Ladies, you gotta move. You gotta move, ladies. Oi. Go friends. Ugh. You're going on the way. Nope. You stay in there. No escaping chickens today, please. Alright. That's done. Do you want some food? Did you eat your apple? Did you eat your apple? Some food for you, sir. Are you guys gonna let me have one of your water bins? Yeah? What do you think? Maybe one of them? Think so? I have one of them at least. Use this one. Just trying to keep y'all in there. Alright, ladies. I'll go and get y'all's. This will be fine for me. Thank you for letting me collect your butt nuggets.